Welcome to my channel. Value quarter dollar. The United States 5-cent coin dated 2013 with a D mint mark is a modern version of the Jefferson nickel. Struck at the Denver Mint, one of the major facilities of the United States Mint. This coin continues a design tradition that began in 1938, featuring the third U.S. President, Thomas Jefferson, whose portrait appears on the obverse, front, side. The inscriptions you mentioned, "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the year, 2013, are all standard elements. "In God We Trust" is the official motto of the United States and has appeared on most U.S. coins since the 19th century, while "Liberty" reflects one of the nation's core values. The small D mint mark indicates it was produced in Denver, distinguishing it from coins minted in Philadelphia, no. Mark, or San Francisco, S. On the reverse back, the coin features an image of Monticello, Jefferson's historic home in Virginia, along with the inscriptions, "United States of America," "E pluribus unum," and 5 cents. "E pluribus unum," a Latin phrase meaning, "out of many." 1. Symbolizes the union of the original states into a single nation. The composition of the 2013 nickel is 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it durability and a distinctive silvery appearance. It weighs 5 grams and has a diameter of 21.21 mm with a smooth edge. In terms of value, most 2013 D nickels found in circulation are worth only their face value, 5 cents. But uncirculated examples or coins in pristine condition may carry a slightly higher value among collectors. There are also no major rare varieties widely recognized for this specific year and mint, though collectors still examine them for errors such as misstrikes or die anomalies. Overall, the 2013 D Jefferson nickel represents a continuation of a long-standing American coinage tradition, combining historical symbolism, national mottos, and practical everyday use in commerce. The next top. The United States 5-cent coin, commonly known as the nickel, dated 2014 with a D mint mark, is an official circulation coin produced by the United States Mint at its Denver facility, indicated by the D beneath the year. This coin continues the long-running design featuring Thomas Jefferson, whose portrait appears on the obverse, front, a tradition that began in 1938 and was modernized in 2006 to show a forward-facing likeness. Above Jefferson's image is the inscription, "In God We Trust," the national motto of the United States, while the word, "Liberty," and the year, 2014, appear to the right, separated by a star. The reverse, back, of the coin features a detailed depiction of Jefferson's home, Monticello, a neoclassical plantation house that symbolizes Jefferson's architectural interests and historical legacy. Surrounding this image are the inscriptions, "E pluribus unum," a Latin phrase meaning, "out of many." 1. Monticello, 5 cents, and "United States of America," all of which reflect foundational ideals and identifiers of the nation. The coin is composed of a cupronickel alloy, 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it durability and a silvery appearance. With a standard weight of 5.00 grams and a diameter of 21.21 millimeters. The edge is plain, smooth, unlike reeded coins such as quarters and dimes. Coins struck in Denver in 2014 were produced in large quantities for everyday circulation, so they are generally not rare or highly valuable unless found in exceptional uncirculated condition or with minting errors. However, collectors often include them in date and mint mark sets, appreciating their historical continuity and symbolic design. Overall, the 2014 D nickel represents a blend of American history, artistry, and practical currency use, linking modern commerce with enduring national themes expressed through its inscriptions and imagery.